1. Unbelievable steal, Kate Spade's $329 bag for just $99. Money with Wings purse. 2. $279 Kate Spade floral camera bag for only $69. Unboxing, what fits, styling and honest review. 1. Unbelievable steal, Kate Spade's $329 bag for just $99. Money with Wings purse. Imagine finding the ultimate everyday bag that combines style, functionality, and an unbeatable price. The Kate Spade outlet is currently offering a deal that's hard to resist, a chic shoulder bag originally priced at $329, now available for just $99. This bag is not only adorable but also incredibly versatile, making it a must-have for any fashion enthusiast. But here's where it gets controversial: can a bag really be perfect for every occasion? Let's dive in and find out. Every wardrobe needs a diverse collection of bags to suit different needs. Sometimes, you need a spacious tote for work or travel. Other times, a compact crossbody bag is ideal for a casual outing. But if you're looking for something that strikes the perfect balance, small enough to be convenient, yet spacious enough to hold your essentials, the Kate Spade outlet has just the thing. Introducing the Madison Saffiano leather small flap shoulder bag, now on sale for as little as $99. This represents a massive discount of up to 70% off its original price of $329. With its sleek design and eye-catching colors, this bag is sure to become a staple in your collection. The Madison Saffiano leather small flap shoulder bag is crafted with a zip pocket and magnetic closure, providing ample space for your phone, wallet, keys, and other small items. Whether you're running errands or heading out for a night on the town, this bag has you covered. The gold accents add a touch of elegance, and the bag comes in a variety of colors to suit any style. Choose from classic shades like black and white, or opt for more vibrant hues like sage, light blue, periwinkle, pink, lime green, and more. Shoppers rave about this bag, describing it as a high-quality, cute everyday bag. One satisfied customer shared, "Absolutely love this bag. It's incredibly versatile and effortlessly stylish. The size is perfect for carrying all my daily essentials without feeling bulky. I especially appreciate the convenient outer pocket, it fits my phone perfectly, making it easy to grab on the go. I find myself reaching for this bag all the time. The color is so chic and goes with everything in my wardrobe. Without a doubt, this has become one of my favorite Kate Spade bags." For just $99, the Madison Saffiano leather small flap shoulder bag, aka the perfect bag, can be yours. But act fast, as this deal might sell out quickly. And this is the part most people miss: sometimes, the best deals are the ones that seem too good to be true. So, don't hesitate to snag this stylish and practical bag while you can. Prices are accurate and items are in stock at the time of publishing. But here's a thought-provoking question: do you think a bag can truly be perfect for every occasion, or is it all about personal style and preference? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions on what makes the perfect everyday bag. 2. $279 Kate Spade floral camera bag for only $69. Unboxing, what fits, styling and honest review. Imagine scoring a designer accessory that makes you feel like $1 million without spending a fortune. This is exactly what Kate Spade has done. The brand, renowned for its elegant style, is currently offering its chic floral crossbody bag, originally priced at $279, for an astonishing $69. Yes, you read that right, a stylish and sophisticated bag that can easily carry all your everyday essentials is now up for grabs at a fraction of its cost. But here's where it gets controversial. Many shoppers are raving about this bag, saying it's the perfect summer companion. With its durable canvas construction and a design that's both modern and classic, this bag is more than just an accessory, it's a practical solution for anyone on the go. Measuring 7.6 inches in length, 5.08 inches in height, and 2.17 inches in width, this compact purse is light enough to carry effortlessly yet spacious enough to hold your phone, keys, wallet, and a few other necessities. As one enthusiastic buyer put it, "I love it. It's just the right size for all my essentials, and the side pocket is great for my phone." And this is the part most people miss. The bag features an understated Spade floral design, accentuated with gold hardware and a signature Kate Spade pin. These details not only add a touch of sophistication but also ensure that the bag complements virtually any outfit. The secure magnetic snap closure means your items are safe, while an interior zip pocket and an exterior split pocket offer additional organization. Plus, the 22-inch adjustable strap means you can customize the fit to suit your style perfectly. This is not just any purse, it's an optimized accessory that elevates your everyday look. Its elegant appearance and versatile functionality make it ideally sized for daily use, as one reviewer stated, "Great everyday purse." Another noted how perfect it is for summer outings, remarking that it comfortably holds a phone, lipstick, wallet, tissues, and even a fold-up shopping bag. With the bag's compact yet clever design, it stands out as a must-have item for anyone looking to combine style with practicality. If you've been hunting for a new piece to upgrade your purse collection and want something that doesn't break the bank, the Spade Flower Mini Camera Bag from Kate Spade is a deal you can't ignore. Offering up to 75% off its original price, you have the option to choose between the dark mushroom shade at $69 or the navy multi-shade at $73. These options ensure that there's a style to match your wardrobe, whether you favor a more classic or a trend-forward look. Are you willing to believe that high-end quality can sometimes come at an unexpectedly low price, or do you think that such dramatic discounts come with hidden trade-offs? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you see this bag as a brilliant bargain, or is there more to the story? The decision is yours, and the discussion is just beginning.